In today's video, we are going to learn how to calculate position size. This is the most important concept. What lot size you should use according to your account size, and it also depends on the trading setup. In this video, we shall learn how to calculate lot size manually in 2 seconds. We are not going to use any kind of position size calculator or trade manager. So what is the formula for calculating? This is the formula: one click calculation. Position size and lots, we want to calculate lots, like which lot we should use according to the setup and also according to our account size. Risk amount divided by pips multiply 10. So I have took this example first of all, then we will also learn on the chart. If your account size is of 50k, then how you will calculate lot size according to your setup. How much is your stop loss? To calculate the lot size given, account balance is $50,000. Risk per trade is 1%, that make $500. If you want to calculate any amount 1%, like if there is 25,000, if you want to calculate 1% of 25,000, then what will you do? If you remove 10, that will have 10%. If you remove 20, that will of 1%. Same for any amount. Stop loss 50 pips. This is just an example. That can be 100 pips or 200 pips, or it can also be of 30 pips. Pip value $10 per pip. If you know the standard lot, if the market move 1 pip, you will get $10 per pip profit or loss. This is the formula. Position size, we are calculating that what lot size we should use according to our account balance and according to our risk. Stop loss 50 multiply 10, 500 divided by 500, that makes one lot size. What if we will have 100 pips stop loss? Then our lot size will be, we will divide 100 multiply by 100 multiply 10, that makes 1000. 1000 divided by 500, that makes 0.5 lot. This is how it is. This is the simplest way to calculate position size. Now let's move to the charts. So we will take this example first of all. When you place a long position like this, then you can see at the corner target is written, that is 14. Like you can use average. If you are scalping, then you should calculate the last one, but if you are a day trader or swing trader, then point before, then numbers before point are enough. Like 14s mean 140 pips is our target and 42 pips is our stop loss. Then how we are going to calculate the lot size? We are going to use that 50k account. That can be a prop account, or of your personal account you have a 50k account, and your stop loss is of 42 pips. You can use 50 or 40 for quick calculation, and then 140 pips. Our account size is of $50,000 and we want to risk 1%. So let's put values here of the setup that we have seen. We have a 50k account and we want to risk 1%. Our stop loss is of 40 pips. We have a 40 pips stop loss and 140 pip target, and that will, like if you divide 500 by 400, that will make 1.25. You can also use a little bit of calculator. It is just one click, so it will become easy for you. The lot size for this trade will be 1.25. If you lose, you will lose 500, and if you make, you will make more than 1500. This is 1:3 trade. This is called, you should use fixed RR. It all depends on you if you want to or not, but this video is for calculation of lot size. So let's move to Euro USD for another example. We want to take a position here and our stop loss will be here and our target will be this one or this one. We have our entry here and our take profit up there and our stop loss here. Let's assume we have hit our stop loss in this trade, but we are going to calculate the position size. What lot size we are going to use in this trade? This is Euro USD 15-minute chart. So our stop loss is of 0.000066. That makes of 6.6 pip stop loss and 25 pips as your target. Let's put this value in the example that we have discussed earlier. So 90% of the time I only trade gold, but yes, if you trade Euro USD or GBP USD, so this is how you will calculate. 500 divided by 60, that makes your answer 8 point. You're going to use lot size 8 point. So this is how you calculate your position size. So easy. Good luck.